Hey y'all, so I'm out in the yard today. I'm going to be working on my concrete bird bath that needs some repairs from the winter time. Apparently it cracked some. Well, it really didn't crack, it chipped. And I'm going to clean it up and try to repair it. I'll do a video. Sorry, Diane's barking. But got to get my garden cleaned up too. I'll show y'all that. So as you see, my garden is nothing but grass. I got to pull all that up. And I still have some old flowers from last year I haven't cut down yet. I was letting the birds eat all the seeds. And then some of my perennials are already coming up. But I'm moving my bird stuff, my shepherd's hooks. I've moved them outside of the flower bed. I don't know if you can see them good with all those trees behind. Because they're too close to the fence and the squirrels are able to jump from the fence onto it even with my squirrel baffles. So I'm going to put them out here a little further away from the fence and put my squirrel baffles, make some more squirrel baffles to put on them. So over to the bird bath. I got to clean it, but it's been chipping away. See all the little spots where it's chipping? And it's been doing, I don't know if it got so cold this winter that it just started chipping or what. But see, the birds will get in here and splash around, but see how easy it chips? So I'm gonna try to scrape that top layer off. Y'all, and I don't know anything about what I'm doing. I'm just trying to fix it the best I can. I'm gonna bleach it down, get it good and clean. And then I'm going to put some more concrete on it. But it's also cracked down here. Let's see if I can get that. So I'm going to put some concrete on that too to try to fix that crack. This is an old bird bath. I hadn't really had any problems with it. But can't have the birds bathing in concrete chips. So this is my first project. I don't know if y'all can see this good from this angle, but I've mixed my hydraulic water stop concrete and I'm placing it in the crack of the side of the bird bath. This stuff is quick drying, so I have to work quickly. I have gloves on. All you do is add water, mix it together to get the desired consistency, and then fill in the cracks. Also noticed a couple of cracks on the other side, so I'm going to go ahead and repair those while I'm doing this. Okay, let's do the top. I've cleaned it up, and per the instructions, you need to make sure the area is damp before adding the concrete. So I'm going to spray it with a hose. And I'm just going to spread it out all over the bird bath basin. I'm not going to worry about getting it perfectly smooth because birds like a little texture to their bird baths. Okay, I just need to let it set for about 48 hours. Okay, and these over here are also used for bird baths. Birds don't like smooth plastic, but I put a large rock in the center and they always use it. I try to keep plenty of water sources around for the birds, and I will fill these up since the concrete bird bath is going to be out of commission for a few days. And as you can see, I've repaired the cracks down the side and the bottom. Hey Jack, what you doing, buddy? You're awful handsome. You got dirt on your nose. Miss Carla doesn't like cameras, so she doesn't look. Okay, here's the finished product. I forgot to video the waterproofing I put over the concrete after it dried. If you do some research, you will find there are some all-natural compounds that are safe to use on concrete in stone bird baths, and they're safe for the birds. They're supposed to prevent cracking and pitting. There are several name brands that say they are safe for birds and wildlife. There are also some non-toxic sealants like tung oil made from the seeds of the tung tree that helps waterproof concrete bird baths. Make sure you check the ingredients if you are going to go with the tung oil to make sure it is 100% with no extra added ingredients. Tung oil is transparent, but it will darken the look of the concrete. And as with anything, do your research and check out all the ingredients. A lot of brands say safe for birds and wildlife, but they still have a lot of ingredients I'm not so sure about. Okay, so this is set for 2 days, and then I added the sealant, and it's set for 2 more days. I've washed it down, and now I've added fresh water to it, and it's ready for the birds to once again enjoy. Stay tuned next week as I turn another lamp into a bird bath. I found the perfect lamp at Goodwill to use as a base. Also Wednesday, I will be showing you how to make a keto lemon meringue pie. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more do-it-yourself projects, bird and gardening videos, and drool-worthy human and doggy treats. Y'all have a very blessed week.